Today's day number 74 of the $1,000 account challenge, and I'm down $114 in the account, or 0.89% of the total portfolio balance. Now, if you don't know, my name is Gates. I'm taking $1,000 and I'm day trading options to see how far we can grow this account. Today's very simple. It should have been a cut and dry day. I wound up making a mistake that got me out of a position unnecessarily, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what happened with this trade. Tesla was a short idea today below $156. I'm on the 1 minute time frame here for Tesla. Here's 156 right here. I have a trend line drawn. So we get the break below 156 there. I'm not chasing the move. We get the rally back up above 156. I thought about taking a short position here, but I wanted to make sure I was following my rules, so I'm waiting for a re-break of 156. We get the re-break of 156, the low of day move, and then the rally back up. Now, I take the position short on the rally back up, thinking that this entry is close enough, if you will, to the short trigger, and it was. It was fine. I was down on the position initially as this was retesting 156. I'm not worried about it. I'm not panicking. I'm not looking to panic sell out of the position. I'm letting the trade work, and it moves back down to the low of day. Then at this time, I realized that Tesla is actually forming a pattern known as a descending triangle, where you have a series of lower highs and a flat bottom level of support. So this would be your high, this would be your lower high, this would be your lower high, and lower high, right? So the idea here is that it all converges to a point, and at the point you get a breakdown continuation. And this is true that I noted this in real time, because in the alert room, I give you the pattern before it even breaks down. I just said Tesla waiting on this descending triangle breakdown, right? And then what happens? I give too much focus to the 1 minute time frame. I'm micro focused on this thing, and Tesla reverses up off of the bottom here and then creates a higher high instead of a lower high, and it faked me out. So when I saw that happen and then it pulled back a little bit, I panic sold out of the position for about a 7% loss just to watch this reverse right back down and start working in my favor. This trade offered over 20% profits had I just held through and followed my original trading plan, adhered to my normal stop loss, which probably at this time would have been around 156, but I let the 1 minute time frame fake me out. Additionally, what I did was yesterday, we took that short position on Tesla and we had this nasty, so we had the almost a very similar setup where we had a triangle pattern forming, and then we had this nasty reversal move up on Tesla with higher volume. And I think that I kind of let that move from yesterday seep into my thoughts today and affect my decision making. So this is really just a stark reminder that no matter what your skill level is, you do have to constantly remind yourself of the rules that you laid out for yourself. I'm going to follow my trading plan, which I didn't. I edited my trading plan here. I got faked out. I let my emotions dictate my trading decisions, and I paid for it, taking that loss here unnecessarily. Now, it's not the end of the world. I used about $2,000 capital size here, and I cut the position at 7%. So my stop loss from a monetary standpoint, little over $100. Not that big of a deal, right? But it just would have been nice to bank a 20% gain on this rather than looking at a losing trade, especially when it's a trade that it did work. The analysis here was correct. Me just giving too much focus to the 1 minute time frame caused me to panic out of the position. So the saying goes, do as I say, not as I do. Stark reminder that I need to remind myself of the rules regardless of the skill level that I know that I'm at. Short and sweet video today. It was a one and done type of trade. Thank you so much for your time and watching the video. I hope that it's helped you out. Press that like button for me and subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. I will see you tomorrow when we continue the $1,000 account challenge. Cheers.